Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on Xbox. First, you'll need to connect the Zen to your Xbox using the included USB cable. Then, plug your controller into the Zen's a one port for proper authentication. It's also crucial to ensure your Zen's firmware is completely up to date for the best compatibility and performance. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready for enhanced gameplay in just a few moments. Once your Zen is connected, the next step is to utilize the Zen Studio software on your computer. This powerful tool allows you to download and install game packs, which are pre-configured settings for various games. You can also load custom scripts, offering even more personalized control. Zen Studio is where you'll fine-tune your settings and remap buttons to suit your unique playstyle. Game packs are a core feature of the Zen, providing optimized settings for many popular games. These packs can significantly enhance your gameplay with features like reduced recoil, improved aim assist, and rapid fire. For those who desire even more control, you can delve into creating your own custom scripts. This allows for truly unique and personalized modifications to your controller's behavior. To truly master your Zen, experiment with various sensitivity settings to find what works best for you. Keeping your device's firmware updated is also vital for maintaining compatibility and accessing new features. If you encounter any issues, remember that online forums and communities are excellent resources for troubleshooting and finding solutions. With these tips, you'll maximize your Zen's potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.